Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate your referrals account on LeadsLeap Profits. And of course there is a short tutorial video about this when you sign up on your back office, but the reason why I'm doing this video today is because I was asked directly from one of my signups how you can do that. So I decided to record this video because there might be others with the same question. However, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, also hit that like button and notification bell. With that said, let's jump into my LeadsLeap Profits back office. So let me just log in. And actually it's quite simple. All you have to do, is go to view my signups. But before I continue though, make sure that you activate your referrals account as soon as possible the moment you get notified that you received the payment. Okay, you don't want your referral to wait too long on you because you might lose him as well. Alright, so the moment you get notified through your payment processor that you received the $10 payment from this person, just jump into your LeadsLeap Profits back office and check out which referral made the payment and activate their account just by going here on this table in the action section. After finding your sign up, let me just take these two first as examples. So here is a free sign up. It means that this referral hasn't decided to activate his account. Okay, so let's say the moment he pays me, all you have to do is go here under and click this downside arrow, and now there are three types of memberships, but actually only one exists. These other two, this text here, Pro and Elite, is just that, it's just text. It doesn't do anything. I had to ask admin about these two, and they said that this is just text for future levels of membership to come. Probably they will update this site because keep in mind guys that this site is relatively new. It has started like 3 or 4 months ago, something like that, so it's still in development. And I'm guessing, actually they told me that this would be for future other memberships level. Okay, so what you want to do is forget about Pro and Elite, and the moment you get paid you want to click on Basic. Of course I'm not going to do that. And then you want to click on Set. After you click on Set, this right here will become Basic, as it is in the first sign up. Membership type will become Basic. So it's simple as that. All you have to do is go here, click on Basic, click on Set, refresh the page, and you will see that your sign up is now active as a basic member on LeadsLeap Profits. Okay, again, make sure that you activate your referrals account as soon as possible after receiving the payment. You don't want to wait too long. Alright, so this was it for today's video guys, and as you can see it's quite simple to do that. And if you want to know more about LeadsLeap Profits, or if you have any doubts at all, just click the video on the screen. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!